elegant and adaptable late flowering grasses, Miscanthus takes centre stage in late summer and autumn when their silky plumes of flowers start to appear, and also when their foliage starts turning shades of yellow, orange and red. There's been more and more Miscanthus appearing in recent years, and that's thanks to a German breeder who's been captivated by this group of plants and has just introduced loads of new cultivars. They're loved for their habit and the way their flowers just sway around in the breeze, and they're very light and airy, and they look beautiful when backlit by a low autumn sun, either first thing in the morning or last thing in the evening. So keep that in mind if you're thinking about planting a clump. Initially they're quite upright, but as they mature they do fill out and become more rounded in habit. They're often best seen when planted as a specimen, although of course they look beautiful in the border, in a mixed border, and they can also make a really nice seasonal screen. One thing I would avoid, however, is excessively wet soil, and also avoid the temptation to cut them down in the autumn because they remain interesting and structural all the way through the winter. And then come early spring, just shear them off to the base and new growth's going to come up. They rarely succumb to pests and diseases, and they tolerate a wide range of conditions, although I would say that they're happiest in a moist but freely draining soil that's quite high in nutrients, and they will produce more flowers if they're grown in a sunnier spot, although they will tolerate a bit of shade.